Hey, what's up guys? Day one of the cabin camping trip at Ellie Ray's RV Resort and Campground. Gonna have an amazing time. Got the family out here this weekend. Cabin life for 2 more days. Anyways, day one, we're gonna ride up the Santa Fe River, visit Blue Springs, Dogwood Springs, over to Ginnie Springs. Beautiful springs up there on the Santa Fe. Then end the night with some s'mores, campfire, campground type cabin camping, exploration with the kids and the family. Day two, we're gonna head up the Swanee River over to Little River Springs, Troy Springs, visit a couple other areas, and if we have time, we'll make it over to Bob's River Place, which is an awesome water park on the side of the Swanee River. But anyhow, you guys know how it goes, right? You're coming with me through this lens right here. Always amazing to bring you guys with us, show you what we're doing, and let you experience some good old Florida adventures. And anyways, let's get it started. We're gonna go show the kids the cabin and get this weekend started. Let's go. We are here, Ellie Ray's RV Resort and Cabins. We got us a cabin. Hello.
Hello.
Keys in the door. Oh. Man, this is really cute. Guys.
Bunk bed, I call bunk bed.
This is actually really cute.
I really like this.
A small bathroom.
What do you think though?
Look how little the beds are.
Can I have this?
I know, we got 2 beds, we got a queen, we got, dude,
Aw, this is perfect.
could you guys live in this forever? Like, could we build one of these and just live in it?
Let's do it.
I mean, no, I couldn't. But
I could do this, guys. I got a microwave, got me a stove right here,
Mom, you got a
got me a
coffee
sink so I can do my dishes. Oh, Frigimerator.
Right?
refrigerator.
Here's our, this is my desk for when we're editing videos right here.
No, when we're eating.
All right, guys, we are officially on the Swanee River. Beautiful day. Water temperature's nice. Danny Duncan over there hanging out, hiding. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's
Let's
go.
go. Swanee River, let's get it. Woo! Yes, sir. All right, guys, we made it to Itchitutney Spring. Itchitutney's up there. You can idle up the spring about 5 miles. We're gonna pass Itchitutney today and keep heading up the river over to Dogwood, Ginnie Springs, and Blue Springs. The river's getting narrow. Duck down, guys, duck your heads, whoa! Oh, we got kayakers. Little courtesy on the river. All right, guys. Basil's gonna navigate us through the rocks. All right, Basil, you taking us through the rocks? Hell yeah. Let's do it. Come on, stay on plane. Here we go. Would you jump off that bridge?
It depends how deep it is.
It depends how deep it is? Whoa.
But, I mean, like, probably not.
What if we jump together? We could try it.
I mean, like, I might do it when I get older.
Okay, deal. When you get older, we're coming back and we're jumping off that bridge. Yeah?
All right.
Okay, deal. But you got to go first.
All right.
Okay. Duval, you know it. Whoa! He got hung up. All right, guys, we made it to Blue Springs. We're gonna anchor the skis right here, walk up in there and check out Blue Springs. Hey, Rye, how was that sandwich?
Good.
You want some water?
Mm-hmm. Yes, please.
There we go. Oh,
whoa, whoa, whoa.
There you go. Oh, water, 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 water. Is that good?
He's crazy.
Hey, make sure that goes in the middle of the canal though.
Come on. Let me see you roll it. And it's no.
I can't do it.
You tried. You ready to go in? We're going all the way to the bottom. You go first and I'll go after you. Ready? Go, go deep, go. 1, 2, 3. I got this, Will.
Hey, I might just float.
You're gonna float?
Yeah.
You gonna float?
All right, I got this. Oh, oh, Danny, oh, Danny, oh, Danny, 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 Danny,
Shake that log.
Danny. Just kidding, just kidding. Oh, whoa, did you hit your head? Oh, oh, oh.
This is
There's poison ivy in here, guys.
3 leaves.
Right there.
Bang.
Hey, Raya! You having fun?
Yeah.
Woo! Love you.
Daddy, come.
What do you got?
A baby frog.
No way. Let me see. Oh, he is so tiny. Wow. Where did you catch him?
I don't know. Like right here.
Let me see him. Look at how he's just crawling on you.
Yeah.
Guys, we are sunset living cabin camping on the Santa Fe River. Uh-oh. Ooh, get it. Caleb, what you gonna catch, bud?
I bet him $10.
All right, you got the red shad worm. You got the pumpkin.
I don't even know where to go.
Get out there and show me what you guys got. Come on.
I'm gonna get a worm.
What you got?
A worm. We're gonna put it on that fishing pole.
Okay.
Can we touch them?
Most likely those are frog eggs.
Can we touch them? No.
Guys, if you know what those are, let us know in the comments below. We're curious. I think they're frog eggs, but I'm not sure.
Maybe frog
But
eggs.
I love when you guys do some research. Let us know, because you guys are always right. Caleb, you catch anything yet? Weekend on the Santa Fe River. Day number 1 is coming to a close, guys. The sunset is beautiful. Look at that sunset. You ready to catch some fish, Rye?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh. Rye, you might catch him. I think you're gonna catch him. You want some?
Let's do this.
All right. You want to put some money on it?
I'll film it.
You don't want to do this, bro. Seriously, you don't.
No, we're just going shot for shot right here.
Oh, shot for shot. Damn,
Right here.
That's legal right there.
Right there.
Legal beagle.
Let me see that ball, skidder.
All right. Uncle Danny's going for it. Let's see what he's made out of.
Are we playing horse?
You play whatever you want. Nah, meh.
I meant to do that. He got the ball now.
Oh, hold on.
Bro, let me show you what my hook skids like. Look, check out my hook, look. Watch out.
Oh, I go up. Hold on. Hold on. Come on. You remember how it went back when you... Come on.
Dude, get me count.
No,
Okay,
no, no,
let's
no,
even
no.
it out. Let's
Okay,
even this
even it
thing
out.
out.
All right, let's see here. Let's see what we got. I got chicken wings. I got... Oh, wow. Pizza. You ready to eat some pizza? We're not actually struggling though, guys. We got pizza and chicken wings.
This is awesome. I actually love this.
The struggle's supposed to be real, but yeah, we got pizza, chicken wings. Just saying, they're struggling. Look at her. She's
Hey.
Basil's gonna be taking us to another spring up the Swanee River north that we have not been to yet, and you guys get to join us through this lens right here. You guys ready for tomorrow's adventures?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna get up early, get on the river about 9:30, meet Basil for 10 o'clock over at Sandy Point, and go visit some springs. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get a good night's sleep, full tummies, in our cabin. All right, guys. Day one's a wrap. We're in bed. See you guys in the morning. Oh, good morning. Slept good in that cabin. Santa Fe River's ready for us. Everybody's still inside sleeping. Let's go wake the house up. Oh, goodness. Boys. Hey. Hey. You ready? Meh. Santa Fe River's calling us. Donovan. Hey. You ready? Are you ready to get on that Santa Fe River? Oh, is the sun coming through getting in your eyes? Here, let's, oh, there we go. You ready to get on the Santa Fe River? Mm-hmm. Did you sleep good? How good?
Sleep as good as I sleep in my bed at home.
You did? Me too. I slept really good. Hey, what's up, guys? Day 2 on the Swanee River. Today, actually, we're gonna ride the Santa Fe River over to the Swanee River. You ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna go over to the Swanee River and then Troy Springs or Little Springs. I'm not familiar with that area too well, but we're gonna explore it today and learn about it and take you guys with us. You know the deal. Through that lens right there. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Another day on the river, exploring Florida. That's what it's all about, huh? High five. Oh, love you. All right, guys. Swanee River. Let's go explore. Guys, we got a log in the river. Basil, Danny, and Joe are trying to get it out of the river, get it on the bank. Look at the size of that log. That'll do some damage. Way to go, gentlemen. Let's get rolling. You ready? Back on the Swanee River? All right, let's get it that way. You ready? Let's go. All good?
No, not really.
You got gas?
Well, you know.
How low?
I got 2 bars, 21%.
2 bars?
Yeah.
Where are you going on that?
There's no other gas station up that way?
There ain't no gas up here.
I'll be going back.
There's a marathon up here though, Joe found. All right, guys. We are at Little River Spring and check this out. Gorgeous down there. Walkway takes you all the way down into the spring. There's a cave system you can dive into, takes you all the way out. That's the Swanee River. Check this out. And here we go. Do it. Here we go. All right, guys, Little River Spring on the Swanee River. That was pretty fun. Did you have fun, Araya?
Yeah.
You did? Now we got to go through the trail back to our skis. Oh, my goodness. Watch your feet. Hey, we made it back to the Sea-Doos, safe and sound. Guys, Little River Spring. That was pretty awesome. So many springs along the Swanee River. It's incredible. This is what it's all about, guys. Creating memories with the family, the kids that'll last forever. But this is the office. We're gonna get up here and grab some firewood and have us a bonfire later. Do some s'mores, some hot dogs, kick it, relax. $6 per bag, $10 for two. Where do we leave the money at? After hours drop off. All right, so we owe them $6. Guys, I owe you $6. I'm coming back. Hey, Beck.
Yes.
I got you some firewood.
Awesome.
Campfire later. Love you.
Now we just need some s'mores.
We got them coming. You got there, Daniel? Another one?
Here, put this right here. Put this right here. Hold that. Hold that. Easy, easy. Don't do it.
Whoa. Yum, yum.
I'll tell you what, if June don't stop, this is what's going to happen to his world. Blacker than night, baby. Look at that.
I dare you to run and put it on his leg. Go.
It
would stick.
Bruce Lee will come out.
Camping with Danny, the Danny Duncan experience. You make s'mores like nobody else ever.
Of course, I host everybody. Joe needs another one.
I do?
Yes,
Yeah,
you do.
Joe, you're gonna do it. Do it, Joe. Do it.
Needs another one.
It might be hot. Be careful. Oh, the gooey can. That's like, you know, that's a good s'more.
Mommy one now.
How is it? Good?
We are all